All right, y'all. Well, it's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Well, I ain't gone to bed yet, and this ain't about no nursery rhyme. So we're going to talk a little bit about fishing. It's pouring rain outside, if you can't hear it. And, well, I just wanted to talk about what to throw when it is raining outside. You really got to think about those environmental conditions. It's getting water on water out there, and it's stirring up the dirt and sediment and everything that's underneath the water. So what you want to do is throw something dark. Break out those black and blues, y'all. And this is a great little bait because it's got a lot of action to it and creates some vibrations underwater and alerts those fish, let them know you're there. Another one is a little jig presentation, also in black and blue. And another one of my favorites all time is the Chopo. Create some disturbance on top of the water. Why not? That's about all I got for you here today. I want to hear what you throw when it's raining outside. I'm A.D. Ross with Navi Outdoors. I hope you take care and God bless, because Navi is out.